All right, good morning, everybody. I am with Amy, Jim, Nick. Amy and I are all saddled up, ready to go. We're going to be doing 60, 65 miles today. And yeah, let's go, Amy.
Ready?
Yeah. Had a lovely, lovely stay with Amy and Jim and their son, Nick. And now Amy and I are going to do a nice ride to go visit a friend in Mansfield, Ohio. It's kind of overcast, a little bit cool, but you know what? Better than we expected. Yeah? Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Minus the drizzle.
Right. I think it's going to warm up. Maybe we'll see a little sun as we go. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. Yeah, it's kind of spitting rain out here just a little bit. The roads are wet. And we're going to be road riding a little bit, but it's Saturday morning. So I feel like roads will be quieter than dealing with rush hour traffic. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and we are on our way. Following Amy to her friend Lori's house. Midpoint of the Ohio to Erie Trail. Heart of Ohio Trail. So there's an intersection of two trails here. Yeah, Ohio to Erie. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Getting back on the trail. Heart of Ohio. Here's Amy. On an old cemetery here. Quaker Cemetery. And then, hi, cow friends. Hi. Yeah, you guys coming? Yeah, come on, let's go. Come on, you guys. Yeah. Hi, sweeties. Kind of have to share the road out here with everybody. So we've got tractor here. I don't know. I guess everything's okay, no? You all right?
Yeah?
Okay, oh good. Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. So this is Fredericktown. I think it's an Amish town.
Oh.
Civic pride. Freemasons and the Lions, different churches. And Amy and I are looking for a restaurant because we are hungry. We have ridden about 40 miles And it is time for lunch. Refuel. Yeah, really sweet town here, isn't it? Oh, we're getting on a trail here. Well, isn't that fun? Yeah. Oh, and look at this. Oh, what a nice bridge. Ah, we've got a triker on the trail. This must be Lori, who is hosting us tonight, meeting us in Belleville. Oh, Lori, so nice to meet you.
Well, we met at
At CycleCon
in Tennessee, but
a
make
long
sure you
time
meet
ago. Oh my
everybody.
gosh, so long ago. And you've got a cat trike?
Yes.
What kind?
Trail.
A cat trike trail. And you have electric assist?
I do.
Wow.
Much needed.
Oh, it's so nice, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, well, fantastic to meet you again.
Good to meet you
Yeah.
again. Yeah.
So we're on the B&O trail.
That's correct.
The
Yes.
B&O trail, okay. And we're going to take it to Mansfield, or close to.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm right in Mansfield. So.
Okay, well, I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you again for hosting. Yeah. Here are the honkers.
Road Marsh.
Home Road Marsh. Thank you. Oh, look at the old telegraph line remnant. Bald eagle viewing area. Wow. That'd be fun to see some bald eagles. All right. Following Lori and Amy on the B&O, Ohio, Baltimore, Ohio Rail Trail. Very nice rail trail here. I think we'll be on it for 12, 13 miles. All right, we are coming to the end of our ride today. Just had a fabulous time riding with Amy and Lori, escorting us to her house. We did 62 miles and more than 2,000 feet of climbing. We started just outside of Columbus and we ended in Mansfield. Really, really fun day. Thanks, Amy. Nice riding with you.
Same here. That was fun.
All right, you guys, thanks for following along. And I will see you in the next video. Welcome to Mansfield, Ohio.